You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous.
Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Katrina. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this pop-in twist out on my 4C natural hair. For all the 4C girls who find it hard to find tutorials on true 4C hair, this is for you. I start on freshly washed hair to make sure there's no extra product buildup or any dirty scalp. Now I'm going to apply the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Knot Away Leave-In Detangler and top it off with the oil blend that I made to give my hair moisture and shine. Next, I'm going to detangle my hair, and I'm going to use what I call the four-corner method, where I detangle my hair as if I'm tracing a square. You'll see it in the video. And I'm also going to start from the ends to the roots before twisting my hair. The next key to making sure that your twists are smooth and easy to unravel at the end is taking a smaller comb to detangle the ends once you get halfway down the twist. This way you make sure there's no tangles and kinks towards the ends. And then you want to go ahead and coil the ends to seal in the oil and the moisture. Right here I'm just putting my hair away so I can run some errands, and I'll come back later to finish up. Let's finish this. So I'm going to go in now with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is an oldie but a goodie. It's going to keep my hair soft, and it's going to make it easier to unravel my twist at the end. Okay, so I went ahead and did most of my twist off camera just to save time, but all I'm gonna do is grab medium-sized sections and go ahead and make sure I detangle once again before twisting the hair, and just making sure that I twist tautly, not too tight, and coil the ends and seal in the moisture. Okay, so all the twists are done now, and I'm ready to tie down my hair. I'm going to use two things to tie my hair down. I'm first going to use this scarf to keep the twists laying down in the direction that I want them to be when I unravel them, and also to make sure that they don't get messed up, because the bonnet that I'm going to put on top of it comes off for the most part all the time. Okay, so here's the next morning. I'm going to take everything down. I'm going to use an oil blend that I made to go ahead and coat my hands before unraveling the twist. And I'm just going to take my time to unravel the twist from the root to the ends. This way I try to keep the definition as much as possible. You'll also find that this helps keep frizz down as well. I like frizz a little bit anyway, and I like volume, so I'm not really too crazy if I do get frizz, but for the most part you want to keep the definition. You've worked so hard thus far, so take your time, girl. As I said before, I like volume, so I'm going to go ahead and separate the twist one more time just to kind of make it a little bit more voluminous, and then I'm going to also use my fingers, because I couldn't find my pick, to tease my roots to make it a little bit bigger to my liking anyway. Now it's time for the edge control. I'm going to put that on my edges, use my little handy dandy toothbrush to go ahead and slick those down, and pin it on the side just a little bit with a bobby pin. We made it to the end, y'all. This is the final look. I absolutely love how this twist out came out. Even with separating, I managed to get a bit of frizz. Comment down below if you are feeling the vibe, because I am definitely feeling myself. Thank you guys so much for watching again. If you enjoyed, like this video, subscribe, and tap that bell button so you don't miss out on my new uploads. And until next time, thanks. Bye.